Hello, today I'll be showing you how to find the percentage in Excel. In this scenario, we have four numbers that add up to 1,114,742. So what we're trying to do is see how much percent this number is to the total. So in order to do that, we're going to put equals this cell, or J4, divided by sum of these four numbers. You can also just use this number, but in this scenario we're going to use these four, and we're going to use the F4 function in order to lock this range into the formula when we drag it down. And then we're going to close our parentheses, and then we have our percentage. So we're just going to drag this down, and as you can tell, it gave us 100%, so we know we're accounting for all the numbers and the percentages of each number respectively. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, or leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.